How to make keto smoked salmon brunch bowl. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 3-ounce smoked salmon, half medium avocado, 1 medium red onion, sliced, 1 teaspoon capers, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. Scramble the eggs using olive oil. 2. Plate the scrambled eggs, sliced onions, avocado, smoked salmon, and capers. Season with salt and pepper. Then, serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 1 serving of keto smoked salmon brunch bowl. Each serving comes out to be 496 calories, 37.1 grams fat, 4.3 grams net carbs, and 31.5 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you.